Sophie. Mama, 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 mama. Sophie, 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 Sophie Lynn, Sophie Lynn, yeah, Sophie Lynn. Papa, 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 papa. What are you doing? Whoa. Whoa. No fussing. Oh, no fussing. Coming up, the call to India intelligence are getting from concerned customers. We'll have that in a live report coming up at 12. And Mommy making funny noises. Republican presidential candidate has dropped out of the race for the former Utah. Woo! Yeah, you're excited, aren't you? Oh, no, 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 no fuss. No, 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 no fuss. Oh, no, no, no fuss. President Obama in November. A 6-year-old boy. Oh.